Hello friends, I am Miss Honey. Today, let us learn about the place value and face value of the digits in a number. So, let's begin. First, let me tell you about the place value of a digit. The place value of each digit depends upon its position in the place value chart. The place value of each digit increases 10 times as we move from the right to the left. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Step 1. Write the number using the place value chart. The digit 7 in the 10,000s place, digit 6 in the thousands place, digit 4 in the hundreds column, digit 2 in the tens column, and digit 1 in the ones column. Step 2. Decide and write the place value of each digit. The number 7 is in the 10,000s column. So, its place value is 7 into 10,000, which is equal to 70,000. The number 6 is in the thousands column. So, its place value is 6 into 1000, that is 6,000. The number 4 is in the hundreds column. So, its place value is 4 into 100, that is 400. The number 2 is in the tens column. So, its place value is 2 into 10, that is 20. Lastly, the number 1 is in the ones column. So, its place value is 1 into 1, that is 1. Now, let's understand about the face value of a digit. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. It does not depend upon the position of the digit in the place value chart. So, in the number 76,421, the face value of digit 7 is 7. The face value of digit 6 is 6. The face value of digit 4 is 4. The face value of digit 2 is 2. And the face value of digit 1 is 1 only. Now, let's solve one more example. Write the place value and the face value of the circled digits in the number given below. Look at the number 51,423. Here, the place value of the digit 5 is 50,000 as it is in the 10,000s place, but its face value is 5 only. Next, the place value of the digit 4 is 400, but its face value is 4 only. Look, we found the answer. Wasn't it easy to understand the place value and face value of a digit?
Note that the place value of a digit is equal to the face value of that digit multiplied by the value of its place.
Good morning, children. Today, let us learn the expanded notation of bigger numbers. What is the expanded notation of a number? In expanded notation, we express the number as the sum of the place value of each digit in that number. Let us write the expanded notation of the number 6,42,01,897. Step 1. We write the number 6,42,01,897 in the place value chart as 6 in the crores place, 4 in the 10 lakhs place, 2 in the lakhs place, 0 in the 10,000s place, 1 in the thousands place, 8 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, and lastly 7 in the ones place. Step 2. We find the place value of each digit. The place value of 6 is 6 crore. The place value of 4 is 40 lakh. The place value of 2 is 2 lakh. The place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 1 is 1000. The place value of 8 is 800. The place value of 9 is 90. And lastly, the place value of digit 7 is 7. Step 3. Write 6 crore 42 lakh 1897 as the sum of the place value of its digits. That is 6 crore 42 lakh 1897 is equal to 6 crore plus 40 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 7, which is the expanded notation. As there is 0 in the 10,000s place, we do not include it in the expanded notation. Now, let us try some more examples. Look at the number 321,654,989. We write the number in expanded notation as 300 million plus 20 million plus 1 million plus 600,000 plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 9. The next is a tricky one. 80 crore 7 lakh 64,093. We write it in expanded notation as 80 crore plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 90 plus 3. Here there are 0 crores, 0 10 lakhs and 0 hundreds in 80 crore 7 lakh 64,093. So we do not include them in the expanded notation. Wasn't it easy learning expanded notation?